Dear YouTube family, welcome yet again. And on this grand occasion of the Indian Independence Day 2021, I wish all the citizens of India and my brothers who are settled abroad a very happy and healthy Independence Day. When I woke up today morning and was reminiscing some of my memories of flying kites in Kolkata on this particular day since my childhood, I was undone and shaken to say the least when I saw a message of a Zomato delivery boy somewhere in India for whom Independence Day is just like any other day where he needs to set foot early in the morning to earn his bread had his neck slit due to the fatal and bogus Chinese manja. As you know, friends, India celebrates freedom on the day of Independence Day by flying kites. However, we need to ask ourselves this question whether killing or putting our own brothers in danger is celebrating independence. Let me tell you that if you take the vlogs of any YouTuber today who's vlogging on kites, either they begin their videos asking us or urging us not to use Chinese manja, or they end the videos with it. However, with a select handful of people shouting on the top of their voices and urging people to prohibit the usage of Chinese manja, do you think it's going to stir the nation? Well, nothing is going to change until we evoke that feeling from within ourselves. On this particular day, I'm here to request you from the bottom of my heart to stop the usage of Chinese manja. Information that I have collected regarding kite flying in Bengaluru since the time I have landed here, it's very unfortunate to have found out that whatever kite flying happens in the city is all with that deadly Chinese or nylon manja. Now, friends, I'm not here to criticize anybody. I'm just here to request you to ask yourselves this question that tomorrow, if in case this deadly accident happens to you or to anybody who's dear to you, will you be at peace, my dear friends? So, friends, as a catalyst and teacher who has been promoting the youth of India, I started the concept of Make in Bengal, where I went ahead and started promoting young kite makers from Bengal. It's a matter of delight to have seen additional vlogs on talent like Afzal, Ronnie, and Oyon. Ronnie is of course into making kites, but Oyon has started making his own saddi. Now, friends, it makes me very unhappy when I'm not in Kolkata and I get to see a lot of hate messages or posted on Facebook and some other social media sites as well. Now, friends, just let me tell you that when we celebrate Independence Day, it's about remembering the sacrifices of our forefathers and freedom fighters who fought for the sake of this country, for the sake of the freedom of this country, regardless of their personal agendas. So in case if you have any issues with someone, please go ahead, communicate and sort it out. And let's have no regrets in life. Now that I won't be able to make vlogs on kites anymore, I still want to help people in distress. And I will now bring a new initiative, and today is the best day to launch it. So going ahead, from next week, you are going to get 2 videos on English, my dear friends, right? I'm not going to teach you grammar and create a mundane environment for you, but I'm going to give you some basic ideas about how to use English functionally in your daily lives. Now, I hope you can see the kite behind me. So as you can see, I'm Indian. It's written I'm Indian. Well, it's glad to acknowledge the fact that I'm Indian. However, let me tell you, friends, there is a grammar mistake in that particular sentence there. The kite looks beautiful, no doubt. However, over here, after the word am, we ought to put an article called an. I am an Indian, but that an is missing. What does it mean in Hindi? मैं एक भारतीय हूँ. That ek is missing there, right? Ami ekjon bharatiyo. If you say that in Bengali, where is that ekjon there? There's no ekjon. It seems very general. At a time when our country is in a state of economic distress, where colleges and universities haven't operated, youngsters have lost jobs, well, there could be a lot of people who are trying to get a hold of English as a language. So I will be here on Wednesdays and Fridays to help you. The reason for doing this is, even if you are a kite maker, and in case if you have got that mileage of sending your kites abroad, do you think you'd be able to interact with the customers abroad? Don't you think English is going to create a very nice aura out of you? My communication will be in English, and I would request all of you to try and understand as much as possible. For somebody who's new to my channel, well, yes, I'm a kite vlogger and also a teacher who's going to have some vlogs on English language. Do share and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.